Comprehensive overview of Whiskey in a Teacup, What Growing Up in the South Taught Me About Life, Love, and Baking Biscuits. Whiskey in a Teacup, What Growing Up in the South Taught Me About Life, Love, and Baking Biscuits is a hybrid memoir, cookbook, and lifestyle guide by Academy Award-winning actress, producer, and entrepreneur Reese Witherspoon. The book reflects on Witherspoon's upbringing in Nashville, Tennessee, and her deep connection to Southern culture, blending personal anecdotes, family traditions, nearly 50 recipes, style and entertaining tips, and practical life advice. Described as a paean to her native Dixie, USA Today, it captures the charm, hospitality, and resilience of Southern living through Witherspoon's warm, relatable voice. The title, inspired by a phrase from Witherspoon's grandmother Dorothea, symbolizes the duality of Southern women, delicate and refined like a teacup, yet strong and spirited like whiskey. The book is both a personal narrative and a guide to embodying Southern hospitality, offering readers a mix of storytelling, practical how-tos e.g., hot roller hair techniques, catching a frog barehanded, and recipes for Southern staples like biscuits, fried chicken, and pecan pie. It's visually rich, with photographs of Witherspoon's family, home, and recipes, and is designed to feel like sitting down with a girlfriend for a chat. Chapter 1. Introducing the Let Them Theory. Focus introduces the core concept of let them, a two-word mantra to stop trying to control others' behaviors, opinions, or judgments. Robbins likely shares a personal anecdote or client story common in her work, e.g. the 5-second rule, to illustrate feeling stuck or overwhelmed by others' actions. Key Ideas explains how giving power to others' opinions drains energy and prevents personal growth. Sets the stage for why let them is liberating, using relatable examples, e.g., dealing with a critical friend or demanding boss. May include initial neuroscience insights on why humans seek control. Takeaway: readers are invited to recognize where they're expending unnecessary energy on others and consider the freedom of letting go. Chapter 2. The Science of Control and Letting Go. Focus dives into the psychological and neurological roots of controlling behavior, drawing from neuroscience and psychology as noted in the medium summary. Key Ideas explores how the brain processes anxiety and control, linking these to stress responses. Robbins likely explains why humans are wired to manage others' actions, e.g., fear of rejection or insecurity, and how letting go reduces stress, supported by scientific studies. Includes relatable stories to make the science accessible. Takeaway: understanding the brain's wiring helps readers see control as a stress-inducing habit they can break. Chapter 3. Why You Feel Stuck. Focus examines why people feel overwhelmed or frustrated, pinpointing the problem as giving too much power to others' opinions or drama. Key Ideas likely uses case studies or personal stories to show how trying to change others, e.g., a partner's habits, a coworker's attitude, leads to exhaustion. Introduces the idea that the only person you can control is yourself. May include exercises to identify areas where readers feel stuck. Takeaway: readers learn to spot where they're giving away their power and begin to shift focus inward. Chapter 4. Setting Healthy Boundaries. Focus explores how to establish boundaries using the let them mindset, a key theme from the medium summary. Key Ideas provides practical examples of setting boundaries in relationships, e.g., saying no to a demanding family member or disengaging from toxic workplace dynamics. Robbins likely offers scripts or strategies to assert boundaries without guilt, emphasizing mutual respect and trust in relationships. Takeaway: readers gain tools to protect their energy and prioritize their needs while maintaining healthy connections. Chapter 5. Letting Go in Personal Relationships. Focus applies let them to personal relationships, friends, family, romantic partners, addressing how to stop managing others' emotions or choices. Key Ideas likely include stories of relationship conflicts, e.g., trying to fix a partner or appease a friend, and how letting go fosters deeper connections. May discuss handling rejection or criticism by letting others have their opinions without internalizing them. Takeaway: readers learn to release control in relationships, leading to more authentic and less stressful interactions. Chapter 6: Letting Go in Professional Settings. Focus focuses on applying the theory to career and leadership, possibly drawing from the Leadership Guide co-authored with David Gerbitz. Key Ideas offers strategies for leaders, managers, or employees to stop micromanaging or seeking approval. Examples might include letting a colleague handle a project their way or not obsessing over a boss's feedback. Emphasizes focusing on your own performance and goals. Takeaway: readers discover how to advance their careers by focusing on their own actions and letting go of workplace drama. Chapter 7: Building Emotional Resilience. Focus discusses how letting go of control builds emotional resilience, a key point in the medium summary. Key Ideas explores how Let Them helps readers handle setbacks healthily, using neuroscience to explain emotional regulation. Likely includes practical exercises, e.g., journaling prompts or mindfulness techniques, to process emotions like frustration or fear without trying to control external factors. Takeaway: readers learn to bounce back from challenges by focusing on their own responses rather than external outcomes. Chapter 8: Letting Go to Unlock Your Potential. Focus encourages readers to redirect energy from controlling others to pursuing their own dreams, goals, and happiness. Key Ideas likely includes inspiring stories of people who used Let Them to take creative risks or start new chapters, e.g., launching a business, ending a toxic relationship. Robbins may share her own experiences or podcast listener stories to show the transformative power of this mindset. Takeaway: readers are motivated to focus on their own path, using Let Them as a tool to unlock personal power. Chapter 9: Practical Tools and Daily Practices. Focus provides actionable strategies to integrate Let Them into daily life, a hallmark of Robbins' practical approach. Key Ideas likely includes exercises like the 5-second rule from her earlier work, adapted for Let Them, such as counting down to disengage from a controlling impulse. May offer scripts, affirmations, or journaling prompts to reinforce the mindset. Could reference the Parenting Guide with Dr. Stuart Ablon for family-specific applications. Takeaway: readers get a toolkit to apply Let Them consistently, from small daily interactions to major life decisions. Chapter 10: Living the Let Them Life. Focus wraps up the core chapters by envisioning a life where Let Them is fully embraced, tying together themes of happiness, success, and love. Key Ideas likely recaps the benefits of letting go: less stress, stronger relationships, personal growth, with a final call to action. May include a visioning exercise to imagine a life focused on your own goals. Robbins probably shares a powerful closing story to inspire lasting change. Takeaway: readers are empowered to live with confidence, prioritizing themselves without guilt. Bonus chapter: Leadership Guide. Focus tailored for leaders, managers, and coaches, offering actionable tactics to apply Let Them in professional settings. Key Ideas draws on decades of leadership experience to show how letting go of control elevates teams. Examples might include delegating effectively or fostering team autonomy. Likely includes specific scenarios, e.g., handling underperforming employees with Let Them solutions. Takeaway: leaders learn to empower others while focusing on their own strategic goals. Bonus chapter: Parenting Guide. Focus, a resource for parents, grandparents, teachers, and coaches to build confidence and resilience in children using Let Them. Key Ideas provide strategies to let kids make mistakes or face consequences while guiding them supportively. Likely includes examples of applying Let Them to parenting challenges, e.g., letting a teen navigate their own decisions. draws on Dr. Ablon's expertise from Harvard's Think Kids program. Takeaway: caregivers gain tools to foster independence and emotional strength in kids.